AI isn't the future anymore. It's here right now, doing the work you're probably still doing manually. And here's the most surprising part. You do not need coding skills. You do not need to be a tech genius. And you definitely do not need a lot of money to start using AI automation. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI automation tools every beginner needs to know about, and how people are already using them to save a ton of time, money, and effort. So what exactly is AI automation? It's simple. You give an AI a task once, and it repeats that task for you over and over again. Imagine replying to emails, writing content, managing your daily tasks, creating videos, or running entire workflows. All of it completely automated. A few years ago, this kind of magic required expensive developers.
Today, AI tools can do it all for you. Let's start with the most powerful one, ChatGPT. Most people think it's just for chatting, but that's barely scratching the surface. People are using it to automatically write their emails, generate video scripts, create complex workflows, and even plan entire businesses. It's a tool that can automate your thinking itself. You give it a set of instructions once, and you can reuse them forever. This is called prompt-based automation, and yes, even total beginners can start using this from day one. Next up, tool number 2 is Zapier. Now imagine this scenario: when a new email lands in your inbox, an AI instantly summarizes it, creates a task in your to-do list, and sends you a notification on your phone. All of this happens automatically, no coding, no setup headaches. That's the power of Zapier. It connects thousands of your favorite apps together, and let's say I move data between them seamlessly. Email, Google Sheets, Notion, WhatsApp, Slack, everything starts talking to everything else. Tool number 3 is Make. If Zapier is about simplicity, Make is all about power. This tool lets you visually build automations like you're playing with building blocks.
You can create rules like, if this happens, then do this. Then run this AI process. Beginners absolutely love Make because it shows you the logic visually, which helps you understand automation concepts much faster. And of course, no coding is required. It's a fantastic way to see how automation really works behind the scenes. Now for tool number 4, Notion AI. Think of Notion AI as your second brain, but one that organizes itself. People are using it to automate their note-taking, brainstorm content ideas, manage complex plans, and organize all of their knowledge. You just write things down once, and the AI organizes it for you forever. This is what I call silent automation, and it's a feature that most beginners seriously underestimate. It works quietly in the background, making your life easier every single day. Finally, tool number 5 is CapCut AI. That's right, even a video like this one can be automated. CapCut's AI features can generate scripts, automatically add visuals, create voiceovers from text, sync scenes to the music, and even animate text on screen. This is content automation, and believe me, it is changing the game for creators everywhere, especially on platforms like YouTube. So, with all these tools, how should a beginner get started? The most important rule is, do not try to learn all of them at once. That's a recipe for overwhelm. Instead, start like this. First, learn the absolute basics of ChatGPT. Second, pick just one repetitive task in your life and automate it. Third, use a tool like Zapier or Make to connect your apps. And fourth, scale up slowly from there. Remember, automation isn't really about the tools, it's about building systems. The people who master building systems early on are the ones who will win in the long term. In my next video, I am going to show you real-world examples of AI automations that beginners are already using in their daily lives. If you want to make sure AI works for you instead of one day replacing you, make sure you subscribe.
This is Smart Mind. Thanks for watching.